There are four ways of graphing linear equations in two variables. First, using any 2 points. Second, using slope and a point. Third, using slope and y-intercept. Last, using the x and y-intercepts. This lesson will talk about graphing linear equations in two variables using the x and y intercepts. Before we proceed to graphing, let's have a short review on what is a linear equation. A linear equation is an equation whose graph is a line. From the two examples, the blue line is an example of a graph of a linear equation, while the red one is not a linear equation. In linear equations, all variables are taken to the first power. 3x minus 4y equals 11. This is an example of linear equations in two variables. Y equals x squared minus 6x plus 2 is not a linear equation because the highest degree or the highest exponent is 2. Let's now proceed to the example of graphing linear equation using the x and y intercept. Suppose you were asked to graph the solution set of the linear equation x plus y equals 3 using the x and y intercepts. First, you must create the table of values for x and y. Solve for x by letting y equal to 0. Copy the given equation, x plus y equals 3. Since y is equal to 0, copy x, substitute or replace y with 0, then copy 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3. If y is 0, x is 3. Write the answers on the table of values. The value of x is 3 when y is 0. Therefore, the ordered pair is 3, 0. Solve for y by letting x equal to 0. Copy the given equation, x plus y equals 3. Replace x by 0. Copy y equals 3. Therefore, y is equal to 3. Write again the result on the table of values. If x is 0, y is 3. The value of y is 3 when x is 0. Therefore, the ordered pair is 0, 3. After completing the table of values, you are now ready to graph the given equation on the Cartesian plane. This is the Cartesian plane. First, you must plot the point 3, 0. Here is the point 3, 0. Next, plot the second point 0, 3. Here is the point 0, 3. After plotting the 2 points, connect them using a line. Connect the 2 dots or 2 points using a line. This is now the graph of the given equation x plus y equals 3. Let's proceed to another example. The The given equation is 2x minus 4y equals 8. Of course, we're going to graph the given equation using the x and y intercepts. First, create the table of values for x and y. Solve for x by letting y equal to 0. The given equation is 2x minus 4y equals 8. Copy 2x. Since the value of y is 0, replace y with 0. Copy 2x. 4 times 0 is equal to 0. So we just copy 8. In order for you to find the value of x, you must divide both sides by 2. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 4. Write the result on the table of values. If y is 0, your x is 4. The value of x is 4 when y is 0. Therefore, the ordered pair is 4, 0. Next, solve for y by letting x equal to 0. Since x is 0, replace x with 0. So that will be 2 times 0 minus 4y equals 8. Since 2 times 0 is 0, just copy negative 4y equals 8. In order for you to find the value of y, we must divide both sides of the given equation by negative 4. Therefore, the value of y equals negative 2. Write again the result on the table of values. If x is 0, y is negative 2. The value of y is negative 2 when x is 0. Therefore, the ordered pair is 0, negative 2. After completing your table of values, you are now ready to graph the given equation. Plot first the first point, 4, 0. Here is your 4, 0. Next, plot the second point, 0, negative 2. Here is your 0, negative 2. After plotting the 2 points, connect the 2 points using a line. Connect the 2 points using a line. This is now the graph of the given equation 2x minus 4y equals 8.